2026 could be the year Fujifilm redefines APS-C photography with the highly anticipated X-Pro4. The X-Pro series has long been celebrated for blending classic rangefinder aesthetics with Fujifilm's distinct image quality, tactile controls, and photographer-first philosophy. Now, leaks suggest the X-Pro4 might push this heritage even further, combining high-resolution imaging, refined ergonomics, and modern performance in a body that continues to feel intentional, deliberate, and deeply connected to the act of photography. This could be a camera that appeals not only to longtime Fujifilm fans but also to a new generation of creators seeking compact, high-quality tools. One of the most talked about upgrades is the rumored 40-megapixel APS-C X-Trans sensor. This would represent a significant leap from the 26-megapixel sensor in the X-Pro3 and could make the X-Pro4 one of the highest-resolution APS-C cameras ever produced. For photographers, this means the ability to capture extraordinary detail, crop aggressively without quality loss, and produce large-format prints that maintain clarity and depth. Coupled with Fujifilm's renowned color science and dynamic range, the X-Pro4 is expected to handle both delicate highlights and deep shadows with impressive fidelity, all while maintaining the film-like character that has defined the X-Trans sensor series. Noise performance is also rumored to improve, particularly in low-light environments, allowing photographers to confidently shoot high-ISO images without compromising the natural tonal quality Fujifilm is known for. The hybrid viewfinder, a defining feature of the X-Pro line, is also expected to receive major updates. The optical path could see improved parallax correction and more accurate framing guides, while the electronic component may offer higher resolution and faster refresh rates. For photographers who rely on manual focus, street photography, or precise composition, this means more intuitive operation and less guesswork. Ergonomically, the X-Pro4 is anticipated to maintain the classic rangefinder-style design, emphasizing tactile dials, strategically placed buttons, and a comfortable grip. Fujifilm's philosophy appears to prioritize a camera that feels alive in the hands of the photographer, rather than a device optimized solely for specs. The X-Pro4 could provide an experience where every turn of a dial or press of a button feels meaningful and connected to the creative process. Autofocus performance is rumored to be significantly improved as well. A hybrid system combining phase detection and contrast detection points could offer faster, more accurate tracking in challenging conditions, such as low-light streets or crowded indoor settings. While it may not match the speed of full-frame stack sensors, the system is expected to offer reliable subject detection, smooth focus transitions, and confidence-inspiring responsiveness. Fujifilm's approach seems focused on predictable autofocus behavior rather than aggressive AI-driven automation, giving photographers control while minimizing the chances of missed shots. Paired with Fujifilm's wide lens lineup, from high-speed primes to telephoto zooms, the X-Pro4 could be versatile enough for professional portraiture, documentary work, travel photography, and more. Although the X-Pro4 is primarily a stills camera, video capabilities are rumored to be solid, with potential support for 4K DCI/UHD recording at up to 60 frames per second in 10-bit color. While not aimed at high-end cinema production, this level of video functionality is sufficient for hybrid shooters, vloggers, and content creators who require smooth footage alongside professional stills. Improved autofocus performance, a higher resolution electronic viewfinder, and live view enhancements could make handheld video more practical, while Fujifilm's natural color reproduction ensures consistency across stills and video. For creators who need both photo and video in one body, the X-Pro4 could be a compelling option. Perhaps the most anticipated feature is in-body image stabilization, which is rumored to provide up to 7 stops of compensation. This addition could be transformative for handheld shooting, particularly in low light or when using slower shutter speeds. Combined with the high-resolution 40-megapixel sensor, IBIS would allow photographers to capture sharp, detailed images without a tripod, opening creative possibilities for street, travel, and documentary photography. Fujifilm's combination of IBIS and a high-resolution sensor indicates a focus on usability and flexibility, ensuring photographers can work in a wide variety of conditions. Connectivity improvements are also expected. USB-C power delivery, faster tethering, and enhanced Wi-Fi and Bluetooth integration could streamline workflows for remote shooting, mobile transfers, and professional studio environments. These enhancements suggest that Fujifilm is thinking beyond individual shots, focusing on overall workflow efficiency, tethered shooting reliability, and seamless integration with mobile and cloud systems. By combining modern connectivity with tactile controls and a refined shooting experience, the X-Pro4 could bridge the gap between traditional photography and the demands of contemporary content creation. Storage and buffer capacity are likely to be upgraded to handle larger RAW files and 4K video. While specific details remain unconfirmed, faster write speeds, expanded buffer depth, and dual card slot options could allow photographers to shoot rapidly without worrying about interruptions. For professional photographers working in high-paced environments, these improvements are critical. Fujifilm's design appears focused on creating a camera that is not just capable of single-frame excellence but also suited for sustained professional workflows. Pricing for the X-Pro4 is rumored to fall between $2,499 and $2,699, situating it above mid-tier APS-C cameras but below most full-frame mirrorless flagships. This pricing positions the camera for photographers seeking a combination of professional ergonomics, high-resolution imaging, hybrid shooting capabilities, and a traditional shooting experience, rather than chasing purely numerical specs or market-driven trends. For Fujifilm enthusiasts, the X-Pro4 could represent a thoughtful upgrade, one that rewards technique, high-quality lenses, and careful composition. If the leaks hold true, the X-Pro4 could set a new benchmark for APS-C mirrorless cameras. The combination of a high-resolution sensor, improved hybrid viewfinder, sophisticated autofocus, 4K video, IBIS, and professional-grade ergonomics suggests a camera designed for photographers who value both technical performance and the tactile joy of shooting. Unlike cameras that prioritize spec wars or marketing buzz, the X-Pro4 appears focused on the complete photographic experience, from picking up the camera to capturing the perfect frame. For street, travel, documentary, and hybrid photographers, the X-Pro4 could demonstrate that rangefinder-style mirrorless cameras remain relevant and capable in the modern era. Ultimately, the Fujifilm X-Pro4 seems poised to balance high-end technical capabilities with the tactile, immersive experience that made the X-Pro series iconic. It could be one of the most significant APS-C cameras of 2026, appealing to photographers who demand image quality, usability, hybrid functionality, and the signature X-Pro aesthetic. While official announcements have yet to arrive, the combination of rumors, insider chatter, and Fujifilm's deliberate development strategy suggests the X-Pro4 could be a camera that not only competes with full-frame alternatives but also reasserts the importance of thoughtful, photographer-centered design in the mirrorless market.